How's everybody doing? I obviously haven't seen me in a while, and no big reason. It's not like I got injured or anything like that. It's just been busy, and I got a little burnt out. But I feel as of this moment, I feel like I can start posting again. Not twice a week yet. Once a week, I would hope to do that, but I'm going to start. Let's start out by saying once every 2 weeks. And I got a lot of house stuff going on right now. I'm going to still post some truck stuff, but I got a little burnt out on the truck stuff. I did a lot of truck videos. And I must have did 35 truck videos, 40 truck videos, something like that, in a row too, pretty much. So we'll filter those in, but we're going to take our time. I don't want to get burnt out again and then have to take another break. That's just I want to just keep a good flow going, and a lot of house stuff I'm working on right now. So that's what I'm going to record. I got to tear down and rebuild the deck. You probably see in the background that red deck. That's off the master bedroom. That's got to come down. Got to build a nice new deck. I got the material for it, and that should be good. And then a bunch of other things. But that's what we're going to start out doing. So the next video you're going to see is probably me tearing down the deck, and I got some other ideas, but we're going to take it slow. And I just wanted to let you know that I'm coming back, and we're going to start slow, and hopefully at some point in time we go back to our usual routine. Hopefully this year at some point. So that's it. I appreciate everyone. If you've been waiting around for me to post videos again, I appreciate it. So here it is. All right. See you.